Hi, welcome to Code Fast with Prince Lee. This course is it's a web development course, and it's made for those who don't have any knowledge in web development, those who have some knowledge in web development, or both those who have some advanced knowledge in web development. So this course is made for those who don't understand coding. Maybe you are very good in using AI tools. You're very good in generating codes or getting code from somewhere, but you don't understand the code. You don't understand how to make an application with it. This course is made for you. It's a very wonderful course that right from the very first week or second week of following this course series, you will see that you'll be able to understand coding and able to use what you have understood to produce application with so much flexibility. In this course, we are going to start our learning from the basics. We are going to start learning HTML, learn how to create our elements. Then also, after HTML, we are going to be learning CSS, so we'll be able to put some styles on the elements that we have created. Then after that, then we are going to study JavaScript, so we're able to manipulate, put some dynamic responsiveness to our elements to make it to perform our desire. So this is the first course, and we are going to be looking at so many other things. So with this basic understanding of web development, you'll be able to develop whatever idea that comes from your head. We are going to be building some application. I have a very unique style of teaching, and don't worry about building application. We still build some applications, but with my techniques, with the understanding in your head, you will be able to design any idea that comes to your mind. You will not just go by what we design in the class, but anything that comes to your mind, you just know how to do it because you have the understanding residing in you. If you're finding this helpful and want to keep growing your skills in web development, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or just want to say hi.